Okay, guys, can you see my VS Code? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, guys, previously we were talking about git revert and git reset. Anyone knows about git revert and git reset? So, guys, git reset में क्या करते थे? We were just going previous commits, right or not, everyone?
Yes, Rishabh.
Okay. So, guys, now let's suppose I want to go and take one step ahead. Let's suppose, guys, मैंने कुछ चीज commit कर दिया. I just did some mistake. I did some mistake and commit हो गया. Clear, everyone? After guys realizing it, अरे it should not have happened like that way, right? वो mistake हो जाती है. In that case, guys, we will use git revert. Clear, everyone or not? So basically git reset जो होता है वो हम किसी भी टाइम कर लेते हैं, किसी भी टाइम कर लेते हैं, right? Even if we have working directory or not, if we have files or not. But git revert जो है, it will go with after committing. अगर after committing कोई गलती होती है, in that case we will just do git revert. Clear, everyone or not? Let me just show you. For example, cd. If I just say git log here, git init, uh, git add dot, git commit. You can see, guys, new commit here. Right, everyone or not? Cool. We have one file as a file in this folder. Are you guys with me or not, everyone? Guys, please see this thing.
Yes,
Have
Rishabh.
a file and we committed. Let's add one more file. Touch file 2, file 3. Git add dot, git commit m, new files added. Clear, everyone? Git log. Clear? Now, guys, if I want to go back to the previous version, I will use git reset. Right, everyone or not? If I want to go back, I will just say git reset, right? But guys, let's suppose I deleted all the files, okay? And then, guys, I have committed it. Git commit -m deleted files. Oh my God, ये क्या हो गया? I just deleted all the files. Right, everyone or not?
Yes, sir.
So, guys, now what will I will do? I will just say git revert. Okay, let me just say. Okay, what will I will do, guys? Git revert. ये वाली commit को revert कर दो. So how will I just say? Guys, you have to just like git log -- one line. Can you see, guys? You can see the commit ID. I will just say, guys, please revert this commit and paste it here. D56A7A0. Now, guys, we will just say माफी प्रभु, गलती हो गई. Clear, everyone, and save it. Now, guys, if you just see here git log, can you see this is deleted commit and here we have a new commit. Clear, everyone? And this reverts commit ID. It is saying this reverts commit ID. And guys, यहाँ पे आपने मैसेज देख रहे हो, revert deleted files and माफी प्रभु गलती हो गई. Now if you just see here that I will still have those files. That means जो मेरे पास files delete हो गई थी, I will get my previous files. Clear everyone or not?
Yes, Rishabh.
Perfect. So clear the Git revert. Cool. आगे बढ़े guys now. Complete Git.
So Rishabh,
Yeah. Yes.
in interview we can say like in revert, once it's commit we can revert back, and in reset we'll, like this we can say
Before commit, we
before
can.
commit.
Yeah. Before commit, we can just go into a previous any commit.
Okay.
But also, Git reverts shows all the history. For example, can you see? All I have the history of my previous commits, right? But in Git reset, don't you see the all the history gets deleted, right or not? All
Yes,
of
in the
the
hard,
history, yeah,
in
it's in
hard.
the hard. In both
Okay.
of the one, software and hard, all of them will have deleted history. That means I will not have any kind of Git history in Git reset. But here, what is happening? I do have the Git history. Clear everyone or not?
Yes. Good.
Cool. Any doubts? Any queries? In the interview, they will not ask Git. If they're asking, they are basically leave that company.
Sometimes they'll ask.
No, they will not ask. If they're, I'm just saying, if they will ask Git, leave that organization. Because there you will be just like a support engineer, support engineer. You will not be working on DevOps, proper DevOps. Okay. For my example, let me just tell you. Till now, I have taken somewhere about 900 interviews. Okay. And out of 900 interviews, no one has passed my interview round. अब बताओ guys, where that person will be lacking? Tell me. If all of the people, and guys, don't think about this thing, that Indians, out of curiosity, if I tell you about this thing, out of 900 interviews, only 35, 35, 40 something will be Indians. Okay. And rest of them were all guys like foreigners. For example, people from Finland, people from Japan, people from USA, people from Canada, people from UK, people from Scotland, people from Lebanon. So out of them guys, and I'll tell you about one thing. जितना आप लोग इंडियंस करते हैं ना, जितना इंडियंस पढ़ते हैं, वो उससे ज्यादा पढ़ते हैं. This is kind of truth. इंडियंस आलसी होते हैं, पता है. Indians are lazy people. And guys, जो बाहर के है ना, they just want performance. They just need कि भाई job चाहिए मेरे को. I will just do whatever it is. So that is the thing, guys.
Yes.
But Indians का क्या था? यार वो बहुत cheating बहुत करते हैं. Indians. They think that we will cheat. तो chat GPT भी आ गया ना. For example, I was managing a team और मुझे चाहिए थे infrastructure engineer. So company said that Rishabh, will you please just take the interviews? I said, no worries about it. So जब मैंने लिया ना, एक आया था, उसका नाम था सिद्धार्थ. सिद्धार्थ है कोई यहाँ पे? है तो नहीं भाई. Don't have सिद्धार्थ. ओके. So उसका नाम है सिद्धार्थ. ओके. वो बेसिकली यूएस आया था पढ़ने के लिए, मास्टर्स के लिए टेक्सास यूनिवर्सिटी से. सो ऑस्टिन में था. सो उसने इंटरव्यू दिया एंड गाइस वो ना चैट जीपीटी देख रहा था, चैट जीपीटी से. ओके. एंड आई जस्ट टेल यू अबाउट वन थिंग कि चीटिंग के लिए भी थोड़ा सा दिमाग चाहिए होता है, राइट? ऐसा नहीं है कि आप बोल दो. तो वो चीटिंग कर रहा था गाइस। उसने क्या किया, जो चैट जीपीटी बोले वही बोल रहा है, वट एवर चैट जीपीटी सेइंग व्हाट ही सेइंग दैट वर्ड। ओके, एंड मुझे पता है वो चीज लैंग्वेज वो है ही नहीं, ये आप पढ़ सकते नहीं उसी लैंग्वेज में। अब मैं तो भाई पढ़ाता भी हूँ ना, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम अ टीचर एज वेल, सो आई नो दैट हाउ वी टीच टू पीपल लाइक हाउ टू वर्क ऑन डॉकर क्यूबरनेटिस पाइपलाइंस। तो वो बिल्कुल ही चैट जीपीटी वाली लैंग्वेज बोल रहा था, बिल्कुल ही रोबोट लैंग्वेज होता है ना, प्लेगैरिज्म चेक करने के लिए रोबोट चेक वाला होता है, ही जस्ट सेइंग सेम एज इट इज। अब मैंने बोला जस्ट डोंट वरी, लेट्स डू अ मिनट टास्क। जब मैंने टास्क दिया ना गाइस, तो वो टास्क था 10 से 15 मिनट का टास्क। गाइस ही टुक 4 आवर्स और भी कंप्लीट। शुड आई डू, बताओ बताओ, शुड आई टेक दैट पर्सन गाइस, शुड आई अवॉइड दीज पीपल? टेल मी, रिजेक्ट करूं एक्सेप्ट करूं? अरे कोई है सुन रहा है मेरी बात? गायब, नो इंटरेस्टेड।
So
आई
nowadays
वो
proxies are there interview in an interview. You'll have software. वो जब questions if you ask questions, the answers are there.
yes,
So
for
proxies are.
example sort of the, for example, if I'm taking the interview, the person has given all the answers, and you know it is Googlish answers, and it is all of them are correct. And now, if you have given the task, just like a 15 to 20 minutes of task, and he has done in 4 hours, and not completely, he doesn't know about anything like that. तो मैं क्या करूँ उसको, एक्सेप्ट करूँ रिजेक्ट करूँ?
Yeah.
बताओ बताओ।
नो पॉइंट ऑफ
एक मौका और देना था उसको।
मौका को देना था।
हाँ,
साकिब तुझे क्यों फील हो रहा था वहां पे? मौका भाई तुझे क्या देता मैं उसको? फॉर एग्जाम्पल वट एवर आई एम आस्किंग, वो दे रहा आंसर उसके, और मुझे दिख रहा है वो गूगलिश आंसर है सारे। आई कैन जस्ट सी अबाउट इट, मुझे पता है वो। सेकंड थिंग, अगर वो कोई टास्क पूछ रहा हूँ उससे बनाने के लिए, तो इफ ही नोज एवरीथिंग अबाउट दैट थिंग, तो सर सब पता है इसके बारे में, सब पता है उसको। नाउ अगर वो टास्क 15 मिनट का टास्क था, बस बहुत बेसिक टास्क है इसकी, इफ यू आर लर्निंग वो आप समझ जाओ, आई विल जस्ट गिव यू दैट टास्क एज वेल, डॉकर में हम करेंगे। तो वो डॉकर का वो फाइल बना ही नहीं पा रहा, वो चल ही नहीं रहा, एंड वो हुआ ही नहीं प्रोजेक्ट। सो डोंट यू थिंक कि उसको अगर हम कंपनी में लेके आए तो टाइम वेस्ट होगा वहां पे, स्पेसिफिकली स्टार्टअप्स में। बड़ी कंपनी होती है, लेट्स सपोज 10,000 एम्प्लॉइज हैं, अलग अलग टीम्स हैं, अलग अलग मैनेजर्स हैं, देयर यू विल लर्न। बट डू यू डोंट यू थिंक दैट इन 20 people startup, 20-30 people startup, will he work like that part of it? Will he survive?
नो,
सर्वाइव कर पाएगा?
भाई उसको आंसर नहीं आए तो भी चलेगा, पर उसको वे पता चाहिए कि कैसे करेंगे।
यस, आंसर
गूगल से
नहीं
करे
आते
या कुछ
कोई फर्क
भी
नहीं
का,
पड़ता।
वो गूगल से
पता है क्या
करे
है?
कैसे भी करे, पर
हाँ,
काम होना
पीपल
चाहिए बस।
पीपल अवॉइड दिस थिंग। पीपल कहते हैं ओके, देखा आपने एक चीज करते हैं, राइट और नॉट? अगर मैं पूछा आपसे व्हाट इज डॉकर, डॉकर, ओके, लेट मी जस्ट थिंक, ओके, देखा आपने ऐसे करते रहते हैं, करते रहते हैं, स्पेसिफिकली इंडियंस। अब गाइस, अगर मैं होता वहां पे, मैं बोलता कि आई हैव नॉट वर्कड ऑन दिस टेक्नोलॉजी येट, बट आई वुड लव टू डू इट। साफ बोल दो कि मुझे नहीं आता, लेकिन मैं कर लूंगा। क्लियर एवरीवन और नॉट? इन इंटरव्यू गाइस जस्ट से डायरेक्टली मुझे नहीं आता कोई चीज, अगर पूछे फॉर एग्जांपल, ऐसा नहीं बोलना भाई इन डेवऑप्स इंटरव्यू डॉकर ही नहीं आता, ठीक है? ऐसे नहीं दैट इफ यू आर गिविंग इंटरव्यू फॉर डेवऑप्स, सेइंग डॉकर ही नहीं आता, मुझे सिर्फ लिनक्स गिट आता है और मुझे क्लाउड आता है, आई डोंट नो अबाउट डॉकर क्यूबरनेटिस एंड लाइक दैट, तो आपको हायर करेगा क्यों? सेकंड थिंग गाइस, इफ यू डोंट नो अबाउट सर्टेन टॉपिक, जस्ट से डायरेक्टली मुझे नहीं आता, आई डोंट नो अबाउट दिस थिंग येट। येट जरूर लगाना, येट यानी कि अभी तक मुझको नहीं आता, बट इफ आई विल गेट टाइम, आई विल जस्ट ट्राई टू लर्न अबाउट दिस थिंग एंड ग्रास्प एवरीथिंग। तो उससे दिखता है कि भाई तुझमें कोई क्यूरियोसिटी है कि तू कर लेगा। क्लियर एवरीवन? नो?
मैंने बोला था ये लाइन एक बार, तो उसने पता है क्या बोला? उसने बोला कि हमारे पास इतना टाइम ही नहीं है।
सी, साकिब बड़ी कंपनी थी स्टार्टअप था?
स्टार्टअप था शायद।
सिंपल। बड़ी कंपनी अलाउ कर देती है, इफ यू जस्ट गिविंग इंटरव्यू। बड़ी, मैंने बोला बड़ी कंपनी के पास टाइम है, दे हैव टाइम, दे हैव एवरीथिंग देयर, बट स्टार्टअप्स के पास उतना टाइम है ही नहीं। वो चाहते हैं दैट आप चलते फिरते डिपार्टमेंट हो, आपको सब आता है, आपको बैक एंड, क्लाउड, दिस थिंग, दिस थिंग, दिस थिंग, एंड दैट इज व्हाई दे आर पेइंग दैट मच मनी एज वेल, व्हाई दे आर गिविंग 120K 150K USD पर ईयर। कुछ तो रीजन होगा। चलो भाई, हो गया ज्ञान की बातें, लेट्स मूव टू डॉकर। गाइस एक बात बताओ, हाउ मेनी नो अबाउट कंप्यूटर? कंप्यूटर क्या चीज होती है? व्हाट इज कंप्यूटर? बताओ गाइस, यू डोंट नो व्हाट इज कंप्यूटर? किसी को नहीं पता कंप्यूटर क्या चीज होती है? गाइस क्या हो गया? हेलो एवरीवन, कैन यू हियर मी?
It's a device which converts raw data into some output.
We can just say electronic machine, right? This electronic machine which helps in calculation. Simple.
Okay.
Now, if we just see the architecture of computer, first we have hardware, right or not? Then we have host operating system. Clear everyone? Okay. Then guys, it is main topic. Please don't avoid Docker. अगर आपने Docker avoid कर दिया कि फिर आप आगे का भूल जाओ। Just forget about DevOps अगर आपने ये समझ में नहीं आया Docker. Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, Terraform, pipeline, and cloud.
Maven?
इसका no. Maven is specifically for Java. For example, a company Java use कर ही नहीं रही तो क्या फायदा है? That is the thing. Now, guys, these things are majorly important if you want to go for infrastructure. And अगर आपको Docker नहीं आया तो भाई Kubernetes तो ऊपर से जाएगा, वैसे भी लोगों के ऊपर से जाता है Kubernetes. ओके, Ansible, Terraform आता नहीं आता कोई बराबर नहीं, लेकिन DevOps जो है मेनली Docker and Kubernetes के ऊपर है. Clear everyone or not? So प्लीज आ जाओ, अदरवाइज फिर इसको छोड़ दो डेवलप कोर्स अगर आपको आना ही नहीं है क्लास में. Cool. Now guys, if I talk about host operating system, right now guys, I'm using which operating system? Tell me. Windows, right everyone or not? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. And this is my hardware, guys. Guys, let's suppose I want to use a different operating system. I want to use Linux here. What are basically technologies available for me to run a different operating system on my laptop? Tell me.
You can use clouds.
Okay.
Virtual machines.
So first we have clouds. Next,
Uh,
In that cloud, we are using virtual machines, no?
yes, virtual machines.
Yeah. And
We can
Guys,
install software.
yes. So guys, there's a technology, okay, which is known as virtualization. Clear everyone? So guys, virtualization guys is a technique over which we can create different operating systems on the same machine. Clear everyone or not? And they are isolated with each other. What does that mean?
No connection with between them.
no interaction.
Correct. No interaction. ये घर मेरा है, ये घर तेरा है, ये घर उसका है, ये घर let's suppose रावण का है. Cool. Any doubt, any queries? And whatever I'm doing, guys, inside this machine, it is not related to this machine, not related to this machine, not to this machine. They are completely isolated. Clear everyone or not? Okay. So guys,
Yes, sir.
we have different softwares in the market which provides this virtualization. First of all, guys, you have heard about VMware, right? Then, guys, we have
Yes.
VirtualBox,
You have Citrix.
Citrix, and nowadays we have WSL, Windows Sublayer. Clear everyone or not? In the end,
We have Cloud PC also, right?
which one?
Cloud PC.
Cloud PC? I don't know about Cloud PC.
Okay, actually, our Wells Fargo maybe are using that. That's in live.
Okay, so they are installing on bare metal or like how?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
They are installing that software on bare metal or like host machine? Like how you are just accessing the machines?
I didn't get you, Rishabh. Sorry for that.
I'm just saying that are they installing that software on bare metal? That means, okay, I'll talk about it. Don't worry.
Yeah, sure.
Guys, clear with this thing? We have different softwares which provides the way of using this technology. Clear everyone? And guys, there are two types of virtualization. There are two types of virtualization. First one is bare metal, and second is type 2. What do you mean by, guys, bare metal? Anyone knows about bare metal?
It's a physical server,
Actually,
database, data center, and
for example, probably yes. So the exact answer will be like we are installing the virtualization technique over the physical dedicated servers, physical servers, physical machine. That means there is no host operating system. Host operating system है ही नहीं यहाँ पे. No Windows, no Linux. Directly we are using virtualization. Clear everyone or not? And guys, we are making different isolated machines. Any doubt, any queries? Cool. And guys, on the type 2 one, what do we have? On type 2, guys, we have our hardware. Clear everyone? We have our hardware there. अब guys, इस hardware के ऊपर we have our host operating system. Let's suppose, guys, Windows. And guys, over Windows, we add our virtualization technique known as virtualization. Yes, one is Hyper-V as well. Hyper-V, if you know. Windows use Hyper-V. Virtualization, guys. And then, guys, we create our different operating systems. Clear, everyone? Any doubt, any queries? Cool. What's the difference between here? Okay. Let's suppose, guys, if I get hardware as 8 GB of RAM and 4-core CPU here. Clear? Clear, everyone? So, first of all, guys, anyone knows how much RAM it is used by my Windows? How much RAM, guys, is used by Windows? Tell me.
if it's Windows
Almost
12, 2 GB, 2 to 4 GB.
Okay, let me just see
almost
directly.
50%. Almost 50% it will utilize.
For example, let me just see. Let me just share my screen. कहाँ गए भाई? Oh, here we have. Can you see, guys, everyone? How much memory can it utilize? So Spotify, Google Chrome. Can you see Google Chrome is taking 1.2 gigabyte of, and WSL guys. WSL guys is my basically Windows sublayer, right? Linux and Spotify Cloudware. Now guys, if I go to performance here, can you see here everyone? That out of 32 gigabyte of RAM available is 22 gigabyte. Clear everyone or not? Clear everyone or not? That means in use 8 gigabyte of RAM, right? Clear everyone or not? 8 GB RAM तो उसको चाहिए if you are using it. 9 gigabyte basically. So that means out of that 5 gigabyte will be go to Windows and 4 gigabyte will be go to my application. Clear everyone or not? Guys, समझ में आ रहा नहीं आ रहा? For example, if I just say that 5 gigabyte will be reserved for my Windows, भाई Windows काम करेगा, and 3 to 4 gigabyte of RAM is being utilized by my applications. Clear everyone or not? Guys, समझ में आ रहा है? Guys, if you have any doubt, guys, then please ask me. Otherwise, Docker कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा कि हो क्या रहा है. This is basic foundations. Clear everyone or not? Now, guys, 5 GB of RAM will be used by my Windows, right? And 3 and 4 gigabyte of RAM will be available to me. Let's take, guys, 8 GB RAM now. Most of the people, you have 8 GB RAM, right, everyone? Right? So let's say, where is that? Yeah. Let's say, guys, I have 8 GB RAM and 4-core CPU. Now, guys, how much RAM will be utilized by my Windows? Tell me. 5 GB. And let's say 2-core CPUs used by my Windows. Clear everyone or not? Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. How much RAM is left and how much CPU is left?
3 is left. 3 RAM
Three-
and
3
2 and
GB RAM and 2-core CPU.
CPUs.
Now, out of this remaining RAM, I will just dedicate it to my machine. Clear everyone or not? For example, Linux machine. So that means my Linux machine has 3 GB RAM. अगर आपने 8 GB RAM के ऊपर चलाया है virtualization technique, 3 GB RAM goes with Linux. 5 GB RAM is used by Windows. अब अपने खुद की एप्लीकेशन को कितना RAM लगे? 1 GB RAM. Right, everyone or not? So can I say this method is quite resource hungry? Guys, got my point or not, everyone?
Yes.
That means if I just choose this way, it is resource hungry. Correct, everyone or not? मतलब आपके पास at least 16 GB RAM होनी चाहिए, right? If you want to go with this virtualization. But here, guys, our hardware has 8 GB RAM and 4-core CPU. Directly, we are distributing the resources here. That means 2 GB RAM, 2 GB RAM, 2 GB RAM. Clear everyone or not? क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई host operating system है ही नहीं. We don't have any host operating system. That is why, guys, we call it bare metal, and this is known as type 2. Clear everyone or not? It is also known as type 1 as well sometimes. Type 1. Virtualization and type 2 virtualization. Clear everyone or not? Guys,
Yes, clear.
cool. Now, guys, in interviews, if they will ask, what is virtualization? How many types are there? What's the difference? Can you say, guys?
Yes.
बोल लोगे?
Yes.
Yes, Vishnu.
इतना तो guys बोल लेना यार, please. Okay, let me just ask.
Rishabh,
Yes,
one question.
sure.
So this for type 1 virtualization, do we need investment?
Yes, for example, VMware has some applications, but they are like not that much kind of thing. For
Expensive.
example, maybe $20, $50, something like that. I don't know about. Okay. Okay. And here we also have softwares, right, which you can use. But see, it is for Garib people.
Type 2. Yes.
Type 2. है ना, गरीब people like I want to run Windows as well. I want to run. तो चलाओगे क्या? क्या कहते हैं guys? What is the quote है? बंदा खाएगा क्या नहाएगा क्या, right? What is that quote? I don't remember that one, but yeah, वही है ना यहाँ पे. गरीब खाएगा क्या, करेगा क्या? Similarly here, how much RAM you will give? 5 GB RAM तो Windows ले रहा है. 8 3 GB RAM available है. Out of that 2 GB or 3 GB RAM you are giving to Linux machine. How much RAM is left for your applications? आपको चलाओगे ही नहीं अपने लैपटॉप के अंदर, right or not? That is why we don't prefer any host operating system in our servers. अब आप guys, for example, आपने EC2 मशीन चलाई, right everyone? यानी कि कोई भी क्लाउड की मशीन चलाई आपने, फॉर एग्जांपल Amazon की क्लाउड की मशीन चलाई आपने. Guys, do you think that EC2 machine के beneath, यानी कि EC2 machine जहाँ पे रन कर रही है, where it is running, do you think that any operating system will be there? For example, EC2 machine में तो Linux machine चल रही है, right? Let's suppose to talk about cloud. Okay, clouds are saying that please use machines, right? ये उनकी machines है, virtual machines. And here we have hardware, and here we have virtualization technique. So guys, do you think they will choose this one, bare metal, or they will choose type 2? Tell me.
Bare metal.
Bare metal. Why guys? Because they don't want to give resources to type 2, right or not? अब भाई आधी रैम तो विंडोज ले गया ना, अब लिनक्स लाएंगे हम उसमें से. What is the use case of it? So that is why guys, bare metal guys is used in data centers, cloud, everywhere. Okay, where we have large amount of virtual machines, or you can say machines. Clear everyone or not?
Yes.
Okay, guys, that is why guys Docker is invented. Up guys in Docker, okay, Docker guys is specifically built for Linux, and flawlessly it works in Linux. Flawlessly. Windows में available है, but for example guys, if I just say that आपके पास एक iPhone है, ठीक है, और guys आप iPhone के साथ चला, क्या कहते हैं, you are just listening with बोट के एयर ड्रॉप्स जो भी हैं. And guys, if you are just using iPhone, will you combine with AirPods or will you combine with AirDrops? If you have money, tell me. बताओ guys. भाई मैं तो गरीब आदमी हूँ, मेरे पास तो भाई एंड्रॉइड है. Yes guys, tell me.
Can you repeat once again, Rishabh?
For example, if you have Apple iPhone, okay, which is quite famous nowadays. Now guys, if you will combine that basically iPhone with AirPods, Apple AirPods, or will you combine with both AirPods? Apple's ecosystem or like Boat's ecosystem? Tell me.
Apple
ecosystem.
Right? So that is the same thing, guys. That is the same thing. What happened? Now guys, similarly with this thing, Docker, आप चलाओ Linux के ऊपर, आप चलाओ Windows के ऊपर, तो फर्क है, बहुत फर्क है. Right everyone? If you use both AirPods on iPhone or you will use Apple AirPods on iPhone, you will see difference, right or not guys? Difference, you will notice difference, right? Clear, everyone? Similarly, guys, Docker on Linux, Doc is something else. Docker on Windows is something else. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, clear.
Okay. Now, guys, let's go with Docker. Now, guys, if you just see in virtualization, what is happening? First layer comes with hardware, right? Hardware. Then comes what? Host operating system. Then comes virtual layer.
Virtualization.
Then comes our guest
OS.
operating system.
Guess what?
Guest operating system, like guest operating system. So that means, guys, whole guest operating system will get remaining resources, correct or not? Remaining resources or leftover resources, correct or not? जो बचा कुचा माल है उसको वही मिलेगा ना गेस्ट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को, right, everyone or not?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
But guys,
You're talking about type 2 one, right?
type 2, yes. Because Docker क्या फायदा उसका in production, right? In data centers. Docker is used something for some other purpose. So we will talk about that. Now, guys, in Docker, what do we have? Achha, guys, how many of you know about this thing that all Linux are 70% same? Correct or not?
Yes.
We have learned about this thing that all Linux are 70% same, 30% are different. Correct, everyone?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So, guys, Docker thought, array, let's do one thing. Let's say hardware. This is my Linux, which is host operating system. And here I will use Docker. And I will just make a environment here. And guys, this environment will take 70% of the resources from host operating system and 30% it will download or like use from different other platforms. Clear, everyone or not? That means it is not getting leftover resources. Clear, everyone or not? That is why, guys, Docker is fast. It is slow. That is why, guys, Docker provides more, you can say, utilization of resources. And here we have less utilization. Clear, everyone or not? That means Docker will take 70% of the file resources from Linux, the host operating system. Clear, everyone? And 30%, guys, it will get by its own. Clear, everyone or not? Clear nahi hua?
By own means from where?
We will tell about that part. Talk about it later on. Don't worry.
Okay.
Clear, everyone or not?
Yes.
Yes.
For example, guys, क्या करते हो आप कभी कभार? For example, guys, आपके घर में बनाया है तोरी. Who loves tori, guys? You know about tori?
Yes.
What is tori?
Bitter God. No, no, bitter.
Little god? अरे क्या होता है, guys? Tori क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Anyone knows about tori? How do we say in South, guys? What is it called? And in certain part of India, guys, what do they say? Tori. You know about tori, guys? Let me just show you.
Sorry, क्या होता है सर?
Tori. Let me just show you. Can you see this thing? Turai. Anyone knows Turai? This Turai. Rich god.
Zucchini? Yeah, which god? Okay.
Not zucchini, rich god. Anyone knows about Tori, guys? Let's suppose, guys, you went to your home and you said to your mom that, Mom, मुझे भूख लगी है, फटाफट कुछ बनाओ. And she said, Tori बनी हुई है. This sabzi is done. Like we have made this sabji. So guys, what will you say? आप खा लोगे? अरे नहीं, आज तो मन कर रहा है, let's go with butter chicken or like that one, right or not? Or like shahi paneer, Afghani chicken, like that. So guys, what will you do? You will just say, mom, do one thing. आप रोटी बना दो. I will just order some sabji outside. Right everyone or not? करते नहीं करते ये? Guys, right or not?
Yes, yes,
Yes, yes.
या इसे मैं करता हूँ, आप लोग भी करते हो ऐसे?
सभी करते हैं yes.
आप भी करते हैं सर.
सभी करते हैं ना? That means guys कि रोटी बना लेंगे हम and सब्जी. अब guys एक बात बताओ, which is major component here? रोटी और सब्जी. Tell me guys, which is the major component? रोटी और सब्जी.
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 सब्जी. अच्छा, अगर रोटी नहीं हो तो सब्जी खा लोगे सारी? If you don't have rotis, will you eat सब्जी? कटक जाओ तो सब्जी है ना, टक 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 खत्म. उसके बाद तुम्हें क्या बोलोगे? रोटी चाहिए मेरे को. That means guys, रोटी is major component. क्या यार, रोटी नहीं है तो सब्जी बनी हुई है, रोटी नहीं है तो सब्जी बनी है, तो सब्जी खा लेते हो.
लेकिन रोटी कितनी खानी है?
नहीं सर, अब स्टोरी भी है ना.
सब्जी पे डिपेंड करता है रोटी कितनी खानी.
हाँ, it's
For
vice
example.
versa, no?
For example, if you don't have rotis, you have only sabji. Now tell me, what will you do?
I don't mind eating alone.
सारे के सारे भूखे हैं यहाँ पे.
नहीं, यहाँ पर
नहीं
चले.
So guys, tell me, right? सब्जी, basically guys, roti is major component, right? कि आप रोटी यूज करते हो सब्जी खाने के लिए, right? अगर देखा जाए, you use roti to eat सब्जी, correct or not?
Yes.
कह रहे क्या हो रहा है भाई, रोटी सब्जी की बात हो रही है क्लास में.
Yes, yes, yes.
But guys, similarly, I am just saying कि डॉकर कहता है कि भाई रोटी का जुगाड़ कर लो आप, रोटी ले लूंगा अपने घर से. That means host operating system. Clear everyone?
Okay.
And जो सब्जी होगी, I will order from Swiggy or Zomato. Clear everyone or not? Which will be 30%. है ना? Guys, एक बात बताओ. Let's suppose आपके पास एक full plate सब्जी आ गई. क्या आप अपनी रोटी से पूरी full plate सब्जी खा लोगे? Will you eat the full plate of सब्जी? Tell me, guys. आप, for example, you will take 1/4 or 1.5, right? ऐसा तो है नहीं कि पूरा पूरा दगड़ जाओगे. ऐसा है? Full plate. Tell me, guys. Let's suppose you ordered, guys. Okay, guys, how many people are non-veg here?
Me.
Okay. So guys, tell me your favorite chicken dish, guys. What is your favorite chicken dish? Chicken or mutton, guys?
Haryali chicken.
Haryali or
Butter chicken.
butter, Afghani
चिकन हैदराबादी.
or Hyderabadi. अरे वहां पे फेमस है guys, you know, but in Bihar they have मटका वाला, है ना साकिब?
मटका बिरयानी.
क्या बोलते? नहीं, मटका बिरयानी नहीं, they will say चंपारण, कुछ ऐसे बोलते, चंपारण, है ना साकिब? चंपारण करके कुछ ऐसे, something like that. वो ट्राई करना guys, चंपारण वाला, आपको मजा आ जाएगा. I have tried like that. Okay. Now guys, let's suppose आपको पूरा मिलती है full plate butter chicken. You got butter chicken, guys. Clear everyone? And guys, मैंने हर स्टेट का बटर चिकन खाया है. In Bangalore as well, in Pune as well, in Kashmir as well, Hyderabad as well, but no competition for Delhi. दिल्ली का बटर चिकन इज अलग लेवल पे. तुम आप वो खाई, वो अलग ही मैच नहीं होगा कभी. I don't know why. Now guys, this is the thing. You got butter chicken full plate. इसमें आपके पास हैं 15 leg piece, 15 pieces, and guys gravy. So guys, will you eat whole full butter chicken?
चिकन राइट हो जाएगा.
हो जाएगा. उसके बाद जो फिर निकलेगा हैं, अंदर जाकर देखा पूरा पोट लाल पड़ा. राइट और नॉट गाइस? इतना नहीं खा पाओगे यार.
नहीं
ये
खा
कॉम्पिटिशन
पाएंगे.
नहीं कर रहे. नॉर्मली आप क्या कितना खा लोगे यार? यू जस्ट लाइक हाफ प्लेट खा लोगे फुल. मैक्सिमम हाफ प्लेट के अलावा मुझे आओ, मुझसे मिलो अगर आपको खाना है इतना फुल प्लेट. मैं खिलाऊंगा फिर फुल प्लेट क्या होता है. पता लगेगा क्या
पक्का
होगा.
मिली.
अरे साकिब, तू 1.5 फुटिया इंसान. नाउ गाइस सी हियर. तो हाफ प्लेट खा लोगे राइट. दिस इज द थिंग गाइस, दिस इज द थिंग. डॉकर कहता है कि I will just get 70% of the files from my host operating system and 30% जो है वो मैं अपनी कहीं से ले लूंगा. कोई इशू वाली बात नहीं. Clear everyone or not? This is the main thing. कि Docker saying कि कोई बात नहीं, 70% is being utilized from my host operating system, so that means ये fast होगा. Why? इसमें left over resources का कोई concept है ही नहीं. You don't have a concept of leftover resources. Clear everyone or not? Here we just have host operating system 70% files. Clear everyone or not? Clear हुआ guys? What is Docker? करता क्या है?
Yeah.
Okay. Tomorrow guys we will see about Docker architecture, Docker images and container. Guys, 2 days will be given to just understand Docker. ऐसा नहीं है कि directly I'm going to command line and writing Docker commands. No. पहले guys आपका mind में picture clear होना चाहिए. It should be clear in your side of your mind. Clear everyone or not?
Yes, sure.
Perfect.
Yes.
Any doubts, any queries? मजा आया पढ़ के आज?